When our entire studio audience was still standing in audience holding, we surprised them. We literally hijacked a human being. We stole her from audience holding, and we told her that Kyan Douglas was going to give her a head-to-toe makeover in less than an hour. Check this out.
I'm right outside of audience holding. We're ready to surprise Kelly, our viewer.
Hey everybody, welcome to the show. Thanks for coming out today. We got a big surprise for Kelly Cartwright. That's right, Kelly Cartwright. I can see you. Get on up, girl. You're gonna get a full head-to-toe makeover.
Kelly! Surprise!
When I hear Rachel Ray say my name, I'm in absolute shock.
How are you?
I'm great.
Are you surprised?
Very.
Are you excited?
Absolutely.
You ready to get on up?
Absolutely.
Bye, guys.
I'm so excited for my daughter to have a makeover today. She's been dreaming of this for a long time.
She hasn't had her haircut in 7 years. It's gonna look amazing. She's gonna lose a lot of length. I think she's a little nervous, but she's also really excited.
We want you guys to see Kelly's hair, the length of her hair when she got here today.
Right.
Look at how long Kelly's hair was.
It's a lot of hair.
Shall we bring her out?
Let's bring her out. Let's do it.
Come on out, Kelly!
Well, Kelly, you look absolutely fantastic, but we were just told that you haven't even seen the look yet yourself. Is that
Nothing.
right?
Not at all.
Do you think you're ready to find
I
out?
don't know.
I think now's the magic moment, right? All right, Kelly, ready?
I'm ready.
Turn around and take a look. Wow.